Have you ever wondered just how deep can we actually dig into our own planet? I'm not talking about backyard holes or gold mines. No, I mean the farthest any human or machine has ever pierced through Earth's crust. And, spoiler alert, it's not nearly as far as you might think. Let's start our journey at the surface. The deepest hole ever dug by humans is the Kola super deep borehole in Russia. Drilled between 1970 and 1992, this hole reaches an astonishing depth of 12,262 meters. That's over 40,000 feet, but here's the wild part. That's only about 1/3 of the way through the Earth's crust beneath Kola. If Earth were an apple, we've barely poked through the skin. So why can't we just keep digging? The answer's a mix of heat, pressure, and technology. As you dig deeper, the temperature skyrockets. Down at the bottom of Kola, it hit 180 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to fry an egg or melt drill bits. On top of that, the rock is squeezed by immense pressure, making it act less like a solid and more like clay. Our equipment just can't handle it. Now you might be thinking, can't we use advanced tech to dig deeper? Well, we've tried. In the ocean, the crust is thinner, so the Japanese ship Chikyu has tried drilling into the seafloor. Their goal is to reach the mantle, the hot, squishy layer beneath the crust, but so far even the most advanced rigs have only managed about 3 kilometers below the ocean bottom. That's impressive, but still just a scratch. Let's put this in perspective. The distance to Earth's core is about 6,371 kilometers. The deepest mine, the Mponeng gold mine in South Africa, goes down just 4 kilometers. Kola's 12 kilometers? A tiny fraction. If the planet were a peach, our deepest hole wouldn't even reach the fuzz. But what if, somehow, we could dig all the way to the core? The pressure is 3.6 million times what you feel at the surface. The temperature? Nearly as hot as the sun's surface. Even our toughest materials would melt and no drill could survive. So for now, the center of the Earth remains unreachable, at least by digging. But each attempt teaches us more about our planet, how it's built, why it shakes, and what lies beneath our feet. Maybe one day, new tech will let us go deeper. Until then, the deepest holes in the world are a reminder of how much adventure still waits below. So next time you see a pothole or a backyard dig, remember, there's a whole world beneath us we've barely begun to explore.